let's try if this game is real to get verified. I don't think this is real. Let's go, guys, and start. Wait, I don't know. What? I still lose. Yes, that's right. Little bro. Get in the room. Why? I also fall. No. Oh no. Oh no.
Ano yun?
I just fell again. Oh no.
Asa nagtaratat niya?
Where is my friend Pauline? I don't think she's gonna come and join me.
Tuwa.
Stop. Bro keeps following me. And I'm falling. I'm gonna die here. I can still hear the soda pop song in our house. My brothers and sisters are too loud noises. And it's distracting me. I wish this game is not a scam. I need to get verified for real. Cause that's what I needed to flex in my friends. I hope so. That's right. Bro, I keep falling. Our little baby just keep crying. I need to grind. I need to win. Bruh. I think I'm gonna crash out. Leon! Who just screamed loud like Philippine? I know that's our neighbors maybe. Or that's me. Hope so. Not hope so. I'm gonna use autoclicker for it soon. Just to get my jumps fast. Yes. What? This is getting hard. Bro, I just get back to restart. Okay. Who's this guy? She just lie down. Bro, I keep falling. I think my head's broken. But that guy, how did she get here easily? The truth is, who is Philippine? Maybe. Ako yun! Subscribe kayo mga tropa. Kaya mga nanonood nito. Sorry sa avatar ko, mukhang aswang. Ganda kasi. Favorite ko to eh. Lit, susumbong talaga kita. Inano mo si Leon kaganina. Inano mo nga si Leon kaganina, puro ka wewe. Wewehin ko yung ulo mo eh, puwet mo eh. Yeah. Sorry guys, me and my little brother are fighting. Ay, Tagalog nga pala ako. Na-addict kasi ako sa English eh. Ano to? to? Dapat naka-shift lock ako eh. Verify. Ay, alam ko na. Magpa-parkour ako dito. Ay, puro patay ang puti. Ito, lock in mode. Putik na yan. Pag nagmura lang talaga ako. Sorry na guys, tapos na to. Ilan oras pa ba ako makakaabot dun? Wait lang guys, stop ko lang yung video. Guys, I just did it. I have now verified. This is the end. Bye.